What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Crunch Time, man. I'm back with another video. So, finally got done with another mod. Uh, it's a partial mod that I had done to the vehicle, which is the L-Wire mod. So, this is the car here. It's a little cleaner than it was last couple of days, whatnot. Quick walk around or whatnot. Um, so I did the L-Wire mod on the doors itself, and I'm glad the way they came out. So it took a little bit of time. I was in and out of the house. It was hot, and had to take a couple of breaks or whatnot. But as far as I can say, man, it actually does look pretty good, man. On the inside of the door, got everything wired down here to the floor lights, center console. You know, it's all wired to the floor lights, and the passenger door itself is actually wired to the floor lights on the passenger side. Everything came out pretty clean. If you are actually doing this to your 2016, 2015 Dodge Challenger, or 2015 to 2019, 2020 Dodge Challenger, make sure when you guys do this, you take a little bit of nail glue, put it on there, press it in, and it'll stay. If you don't put nail glue on it, it's not gonna stay. Don't even waste your time thinking that it's gonna stay on there. But as far as actually having the lights on the vehicle itself, they look pretty good. As for right now, you can't really see them based on the car, you know, is on, but the lights are on right now. You can't really see them during the daytime or whatnot. But I am actually gonna show a clip of how it looks at night. It looks good. It makes this car stand out. And if you guys know that when it comes down to the new generation Camaros, they actually have it built in into the door. So this is a mod here that I decided to do for myself, make my car stand out different. I don't want to get copyrighted, but make my car stand out better than some people's cars or whatnot, and make my Challenger look a little different than just the average Challenger. But like I can say, man, it was a hell of a job. I had to take the door panels off. You know, had to get the 12-volt adapter, put one in the door, make sure you wire it, and then make sure it goes into the 12-volt adapter, which you have to take a black and white or black and red cables, run them through the side, run it through the boot all the way down here, and then connect them to the floor lights. It's not that hard. I would say for anyone that's willing to do this, take your time. I didn't disconnect my battery because I work around electronics. That's what I do in the Army. But if you don't know what you're doing, disconnect your battery or so. But like I said, you're gonna basically get the 12-volt inverter here through the door. Have it. I usually zip tied it in. And then you're basically going to take some red and black wires so you know what's positive, which is negative. Connect them. I soldered mine, and then run them through the boot. This is the hardest process of pulling this out. And once you run through the boot, it's going to come down. You have to bring this right here up, pull this out. Then it's going to come down, and you're basically going to bring it up, connect it down to your floor lights. Once it's connected to your floor lights, whenever you're driving at night, your floor light is always active so you can see the gas pedal and the brake. And then what you're going to do is just basically, you know, solder them together or tape them together. I would advise soldering because it's the best connection. If not, just twist the wires real good together, put a little electrical tape on it, and tuck everything in, and everything will look pretty good. I did the same. This right here, to me, the passenger side was a little easier than the driver's side. The reason why, because once I already did the driver's side, that was a trial and error doing the driver's side. But once I did the passenger side, it's pretty easy. Open the door, pull off the door panel, pull up the door panel seal, or whatever you call this piece here. Pull that up. You have to drop the glove box. You're not going to get through here without dropping the glove box. Drop that glove box, pull it out of the way, and then you're going to take I think it's a 14 millimeter or 10 millimeter. I can't remember what bolt it was. you're gonna pull that bolt out. There's a bracket in there that has like circuits and all that stuff and wires. You're gonna pull it up gently. I took a coat hanger, snipped off a piece of the coat hanger, wrapped my wires in. You're gonna go through the inside of the car to the door. The other way you did from the driver's side, you actually went from through the speaker hole through. So this way you're going from the car through the door. And then once you get that fished in, you know, black and red wire, make sure it's connected to your modulator, or you know, some people call it a modulator. I call it a modulator, but it's an inverter. You know, and then you're basically gonna just wire it down to your floor lights. And that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna add a clip in here to show you guys what it looks like at night. So if you guys like the clip that I just posted at night about how the L-Wire looks with the vehicle lit up and everything, please feel free to comment on the video. Also give a big thumbs up on the video. That really actually helps me. And subscribe to my channel, man. I also will be doing more mods on this vehicle itself. Slowly but surely. Like I say, I'm a full-time soldier in the Army, so that takes up most of my time, but I try to do a mod every now and then. Just think of a new idea and actually do the mod to the vehicle itself. But please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and hit that post notification bell so you'll know when I post something new. Cheer.